I've received the question a lot, what is a pocket hole jig? So let me explain it to you. When you have a joint right here where you're joining two boards together, if you don't have a pocket hole screw, you have a couple options. You can come in from the top, you can go in from the bottom, but it presents an issue that if you want it to be a really tight, secure fit, this screw is not going to be able to make its way all the way into the wood. You also don't have a flat surface because you're going in on an angle. You don't have a good starting point for your screw to enter the wood. What a pocket hole jig does is it gives the opportunity for the screw to actually begin screwing itself into the wood from inside. So instead of starting out here on the wood, a pocket hole jig pre-drills a hole at the correct angle that you're properly adjoining the two boards. So it hides itself inside the wood, but you don't ever see it. It creates a much more secure bond between the two boards, and also it's much more aesthetically pleasing. They use this on almost all furniture.